Hello from Bridge, just on the edge of Rothay Park near Ambleside. And today I'm going to take you on a fairly short walk. This is going to be a short video just to show you the spectacular view that you can get from the top of Loughrigg. And the reason I'm doing that is because there are so many mountains in the Lake District that are much higher than Loughrigg and take a whole day to climb to the top of. But Loughrigg, we can probably walk up there in a little over half an hour for a fantastic view. And you're going to come with me. Right, the time is 5:15. I'm not going to rush this. I want to show you in real time just how long it takes to get a fantastic view. So this is the River Rothay here. This is Bridge. What we're going to do is going to walk along what's known as the Under Loughrigg Road until we come to the turn-off to get up onto Loughrigg itself. Right, so here is the first turn off. This takes us off the road, and this is where we begin our ascent. Now, this is steep. You need good legs for this, and I don't want you to hear me out of breath. So this is where we'll do a handy cutaway to my finger on the map, or my pencil on the map, which I filmed a little bit earlier. Right, so here's Rothay Park to the west of Ambleside, and here's the cattle grid. And this is the path that we're taking up the hill. We're going to end up in roughly this area, Todd Crag, okay, so that we can look down the full length of Windermere. Right, so that's the map sorted out. As we come up this path, we pass through a few lakeland cottages. I think that one's new. But this one here is very traditional Lakeland. And then we do a very sharp turn to the left, and then we go over a little stile. More about that in a minute. Now here's the stile we're going to take here. If you want to go to the true summit of Loughrigg, then take that road there. Yeah, that's a longer walk. It's probably going to take you maybe another hour to get to the top of the summit. This, on the other hand, is much quicker. So we're going to go over this and then follow the path, just follow your nose basically, up until we get to the summit. More in a minute. We're going to cross this little bridge here, goes over a little stream, and then when we get through here, oh hang on, then and then let me just close the gate. Somebody's very handily made some steps, but these don't go all the way. Just keep following the path now, up, until you can't go up anymore. Now this path isn't waymarked at all. You just gotta follow the bit that's been worn by thousands, if not millions of people before you, and just keep going up and up and up. Just keep following that. I'm filming this in the summer, and what date is it? 16th of June, and the bracken is very green. In just a few months that'll all be brown, but let's celebrate the fact that it's green and summer is here. Right, the path has plateaued now, and that's where we're going. So we just follow this path. It's not very distinct, but you just follow your way to the top, and that's where you'll get this fantastic view. Incidentally, sorry if there's wind noise. I really must invest in a good microphone, but it is a bit windy today. So we're nearly at the top, and it's only 25 to 6. Right, we're getting quite close to the place where we're going to get this fantastic view. Oh, and there's a handy path. It's going to take us. So we just, as I say, just follow the path and you'll be rewarded at the top. This is probably the most strenuous bit here. This is pretty steep. However, just here, once we go over this ridge, you'll see why we put the effort into this. Are you ready for this? Ready? 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 Not now, Julie. Oh, Windermere in all its glory. We're looking due south here, and as we pan round to the left, we're looking east and towards the village of Ambleside. And as we go round west, we're looking towards the Langdale Pikes. Now I'm hiding behind this rock now to try to get a little bit of shelter from the wind. Now this walk has taken me 25 minutes and I wasn't rushing. That's 25 minutes from Rothay Park at Ambleside up to the area of Todd Crag. And it is a strenuous walk. You need to have the right footwear, you need to have your wits about you, and you need to be reasonably fit. But when you look at the effort that you have to put in for this fantastic view, I think that's a really short walk for a view like this. I'll see you on the next video.